Hello, teacher Nancy. My name is Jhosué León. I study in 5C in the Carlos Crespi School. I am 9 years old. I am handsome. I am taller than my brothers. My favorite day is Saturday because I go to the park with my family. I ride the bike with my brothers and eat pizza, potatoes, and soda. My favorite holiday is Christmas because I was with my family in my house. I ate turkey, rice, salad, and drank soda. I prayed with my family. This is my family. I love my family. Thank you. Goodbye.